and who believe in which has been sent down, revealed to you, and in which were sent down before you, and they believe with certainty in the hereafter. الذين, those who. الذين is a masculine plural relative pronoun. اسم موصول. الذين. الذي, the one who. When you combine it with na, it gives you الذين, those who. بما, in what. Be, in. Ma, what. Be, or in, is a harf jar, preposition. Ma, or what, is a relative pronoun, اسم موصول. يؤمنون, they believe. يؤمنون is in the present tense. فعل مضارع. يوقنون, they firmly believe. يوقنون is also in the present tense. فعل مضارع. يؤمن, he believes, and يوقن, he firmly believes, are third person masculine singular verbs. When the suffix una is attached at the end of those verbs, they become plural. يؤمنون, they believe. يوقنون, they firmly believe. As you can see, it changes from he believes to they believe because of the una that is attached at the end of the verb. إليك, to you. إلى, to. ك, you. إلى is a harf jar, or preposition. ك is a ضمير متصل, attached pronoun, in second person masculine singular. قبلك, before you. قبلي, before. ك, you. قبلي is a genitive noun, اسم مجرور, because it comes just after the preposition min. Min. The genitive noun carries a kasra in its last root letter as a result of being right after the preposition min. Min. Ka is a ضمير متصل, attached pronoun, in second person masculine singular. Min, from. Min is a harf jar, preposition. Wa, and. Wa is a coordinating conjunction, harf عطف. بالآخرة, in the hereafter. Be, or in, is a prefix preposition, harf jar. الآخرة is a genitive feminine noun, اسم مجرور. بالآخرة. الآخرة, this noun is a اسم مجرور because it comes after a preposition, the preposition being be, or in. Therefore, this noun, al-akhirati, should carry a kasra in its last root letter. Hum, they. Hum is a damir munfasil, a third person masculine plural personal pronoun.